So you're saying stop in the street just now, sign some autograph. How important is it to the fans?
Those were the fans, you know. Those were the guys who they hustle me for an autograph every time I come to London. It's serious to sell on eBay, but you know it's a hustle. We're from Jamaica, we know it is, so I help them out when I can.
Of course, the World Championships, it is your final one. Is it sinking in yet that, hey, this is it, no more?
No man, I look at it just like any other World Championship. I can't look at it like this is the last one. I think when I get out there and I competing and after then it will come. But right now for me it's just another World Championship. I have to go out there and look at it just like that.